No reason to talk about this morning anymore because we've got another round so similar to what we had last night shaping up in Kentucky, and it caused a lot of issues.
Yeah, those kiddos needed rain gear also this afternoon.
Right,
Let's hope everybody's back home safely coming through. What's approaching the area right now, Mallory?
Yeah, so a lot of that rain is approaching the Ohio River. It's moving from north to south or northwest to southeast, and you'll notice most of our viewing area is under a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 p.m. And we'll continue to see some of those counties get chipped away as that leading edge pushes down to the south. On top of that, a flood watch is in effect now until 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. And this is pretty much along the 64 corridor and then the eastern half of Kentucky up into Ohio and Indiana, some of those areas that were hardest hit by overnight and early morning showers and thunderstorms. If you're looking at estimated rainfall since midnight, you're noticing here, if you were in Oldham County, Shelby County, Spencer County, Franklin County, up to Madison, Indiana, and areas off to the north, this was the corridor where those storms were very heavy. If you were closer to I-65, if you were in E-Town, Salem, Bardstown, you might have stayed dry this morning. It really rode the same line over and over again. So eastern Jefferson County here in Louisville got hit a lot harder than western Jefferson County. And take a look at the area that had flash flood emergencies. This is just off to our north and northeast, east of Indianapolis. This is where there were countless water rescues, flash flood emergencies in place, as this radar estimation is 8 to 10 inches of rainfall today. Our heaviest was probably around Jennings County down to Jefferson County, Indiana, there near Madison. And in that same sliver is under that moderate risk of flash flooding or excessive rainfall through the rest of this evening and into tonight. So that is a major concern that we're watching. We have moderate to heavy rainfall, unfortunately, filling in right here in the Louisville metro, just in time for that evening commute. So things will be a bit messy here for the next hour or so here in Louisville. Shelbyville seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall, lots of lightning, and your eyes are probably drawn toward this storm. I know mine is. This is our one severe thunderstorm that's rolling toward Tell City, moving right over Holiday World, Santa Claus, Indiana. Prolific lightning here. This will be a heavy rainfall producer, as well as we always have to watch anytime there's these little cells that pop up and try to merge with the line. That's where we got some spinning earlier, and there's more severe thunderstorm warnings to the west of there around Evansville. This is where there's the greatest amount of heat and humidity, areas that weren't as impacted by the rain this morning that helped stabilize some things. And then another area to watch is right over Hart County, right over Mumfordville, over 65 right now. That is a messy drive there in south central Kentucky with heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and some wind gusts, potentially 40 to 50 miles per hour down there. So something to watch here as we head over the next few hours. This line will continue to push down to the south and southeast. It should gradually weaken as it tries to push east and it becomes a little bit more stable. But this is out of here by 9 o'clock. And then we have a few hours of dry time. But a lot of model data shows redevelopment similar to last night, but in a different orientation, more so from west to east late tonight and into tomorrow morning. That could give us another rainy start to the day on Thursday, unfortunately. And this is a big reason why that flood watch remains in effect until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. We get a break midday, and then we'll have to watch to see if we have any redevelopment by late Thursday into Thursday night. Otherwise, our pattern does change by the end of the week and into the weekend. Take a look at Saturday and Sunday. You'll want to find a way to stay cool. We're talking mid to upper 90s, and then a front sags southward on Monday. That will bring us some relief, especially Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.
Thank you, Mallory.